Hi kids. Let's learn 1 to 10.
Look, it's the number 1. Watch me bounce and spin. Now I'm a shiny car. Vroom, vroom.
2. 2 apple. 3. 3 fish. 3 fish.
4. 4 ball.
5. 5 pencil. 5 pencil. 6. 6 butterfly.
7. 7 balloons. 8 frogs. 8 frogs.
9. 9 cars.
10.
10 stars.
Bye bye kids. Please like and subscribe.